What is up guys, D here, hitting you back with another video. Today I have a small announcement to make about what I want to do for my YouTube channel, and that is not trick shotting anymore, because basically me and my friend kind of faded away from that area, mainly because we're still at college and we don't find the time to make those videos, because they are quite difficult to make, especially the trick shots, because obviously they're hard to make and it takes longer. So to replace the trick shots, what we try to do is basically go around different parts of London, or different parks to be exact, and literally video ourselves playing a game or two there. But the way I want to do that is not just I go there and I do the video and I upload it, because that's not really, you know, good enough. So what I want to try and do is basically, I'll leave my Twitter down below and you can go follow that, because the way I want to do this is I'll tweet the day before I go to the parks. I'll tweet about it. So for example, if I want to go to Lewisham Park, I'll tweet about I'll be at Lewisham Park, or I'm going to Lewisham Park and I'll be there at that time. And basically, so if you want to get involved and be part of the video, you can come down and be part of the video. And also, the way I want to travel there is from the moment I get on a train, or if I'm going to a station, I'll try and vlog my way to the parks, so that it would be better context for the video, and so you'd have more fun watching it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my big announcement, or small announcement, because that nothing really changes. I'll try and do as many videos this summer at London. My first park that I would like to go to is Deptford Bridge Park, because I heard there's some competition there. But yeah, if you have any suggestions of what parks you want me to come and play, just leave it in the description below, or follow me on Twitter and leave a comment there, or I'll also leave my Instagram, so you can go follow me there and DM me if you want me to go come to your park. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, you know, subscribe, because it really helps me out. And yeah, I hope to see you guys at the park or watching my next video. See you guys.